video. So in this video we would be looking at how to manage orders. Okay, so let's say an order, someone comes to your platform, your store, okay, and places an order. Okay, so first of all, you will receive an email notification anytime an order is placed on your store. Okay, the notification will look like this. Okay, you would get an email notification, and then from there you can just tap on the view dashboard, and then you would be redirected to your dashboard over here. All right, so now someone placed an order on your site, you got a notification, you've come into your dashboard. What are we going to do? What should I do to get the details of the order so that I can do the needful for the customer? Okay, so what you do is you scroll over here and you would see this tab over here which says what, recent orders. You will see it over here. So what you do is you tap on the view all to get of the order. Okay, so when you tap on the view all, the details of the order would show here. Okay, the customer notes. Okay, the notes from the customer. If the customer placed in a note, you'll see it over here. All right, and then the customer's details too would show over here: their name, their phone number, and then their delivery address. All right, so you know who you are delivering to, and if there is any extra information you would like to get from the person, you have their contact, and then also you know where you are delivering to. All right, yes, so the order amount would also show over here. Okay, the order amount to show over here. If there was any additional fee that you added, maybe a delivery fee, shopping fee, packaging fee, or any other fee, it would also show over here. All right, yeah, it will show over here. And then we have the order status. Okay, we have the status of the order, which would also show over here. So this one, the moment someone places an order for the first time, the status would be on pending. Okay, the status would be on pending. But then if you have started working on it, but then you can also update the order. All right, you can update the order. Okay, you tap on update status. Okay, so now you can, if you are doing pre-order and you've shipped it, you can select shipped, you can select delivered, or you can select cancelled. All right, so for now you can leave it on pending. Anytime this thing, sorry, we would add new order statuses to it, like processing and then sent for delivery. Okay, yes, but then for now these ones are the ones that are there. So after you've shipped it, after you've delivered it, you make sure to come and update it over here. Okay, let's leave it on delivered. So anytime you update the status of an order, the customer would also get a notification in their email of the update on their order. All right, yes, and also when they log in into the store and they go to their orders page, they would be able to see the status of all the orders that they've placed on your platform. So yes, that's basically it. So you can see the item that was also added for over here. Okay, you can see the item image and the item name, and then the number that was ordered for. So the person ordered for one of these, as you can see over here. Okay, so the person ordered for one of these, and then he also gave you a note. All right, so if you added variations, maybe different size or whichever way it is, it would also, the details would also show. So as you can see, the order status has been updated over here. Yes, so that's basically it concerning managing of your orders. Okay, that's basically it. All right, so you can go ahead and start managing